Hello friends, hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel which is called Odia Girl of Substance. Like all my other videos, today it's going to be very interesting and it would be related to our health, hygiene and wellness. Whether it is men, whether it is women, each one of us need water to survive. I'm sure you must be knowing that 2/3 of our body is made up of water. Water is that important element of our body, but if not taken in a right way, it can cause havoc, it can be disastrous, and it can lead to such diseases which you have never thought of. And trust me, you can even die if taken in a wrong way. Drinking water too fast, drinking water while standing or on the go, drinking cold water, cold chilled water, drinking water just immediately after exercise, skipping that one glass of water before going to bed. If you are doing all these things, friends, then you are watching the right video and you are going to get such knowledge that you would definitely think twice before repeating these mistakes that you have done in past, or you have even done it today. Like I was even thinking this, you must also be thinking that having a lot of water, drinking a lot of water would be good for our kidney, our health, our skin and a lot of things. But let me tell you, if you are drinking water, a lot of water at one go, then friends, you are making a mistake. By drinking water too fast, your body is not able to retain the minerals and the nutrients that is there in water, and it is not helping in digestion, but simply you will feel like peeing and it would be just taken out of your body. So it is of no use. If you are doing this for your well-being, then think twice. Drinking a lot of water in one go is not a good idea. Second, do you get up in the morning and then rush to do brush and washroom and then cook your meal and have your breakfast and then drink water? Oh no, please stop. That is not the right way. The first thing that you must do after you get up early in the morning is drink water, even before brushing your teeth. Yes, friends, you heard me right. The saliva in your mouth that is there overnight is very good for your digestion. It stimulates digestion and helps a lot. It has those quality which I'll discuss in this video, would help a lot. You will feel so good. Try this, and if possible, add it in your daily routine. This is going to make a huge difference. I'm sure lot of my friends and even you who are watching me today, listening to me, would enjoy having water just after you have a heavy meal or just before you have your meal. Friends, let me tell you, this is a very bad idea. Drinking water just after the meal is disastrous, because just after the meal your body is working too hard. The gastric juices are working too hard to break down the food and help the body to digest and absorb the nutrient and minerals and vitamin and get rid of the waste matter. If in the meanwhile you are interrupting the body by drinking water, what will happen? The digestive juices get diluted and your food is not able to your food is not able to be digested that well, not able to be broken down, And what happens? It stays in the body, it rots. You will feel like bloating, you will have gastric problem and hell lot of issues. So I would advise you that you can drink water at least an hour. If 2 hours, then nothing like it, but at least an hour after your meal, and before your meal at least 45 minutes before your meal. And in case you're feeling very thirsty, then what you can do is just take a little water in your mouth and just just wash it well. It will help you. Yes, it will help you. Like me, many of my friends, I'm sure you love drinking chilled cold water. Sometimes you even add ice to it to have it. Well, again friend, this is disastrous, because when we drink cold water, our vessels shrink. And when the vessels shrink, what happens is we can even get heart stroke. We can have low blood pressure. We can have joint pain. We can have a lot of problem. So think before you are drinking chilled water. I also hate this. I think a lot of female like me would hate this, to get up in the middle of a night and go and pee. So what they do is they avoid drinking water. But I'll tell you, please have 1 glass of water. Ask me why. Friends, because that 1 glass of water is very useful for your heart. Mostly, it is seen and research has been done that heart strokes are there early morning, in the early morning or the midnight. So to avoid this, if you have 1 glass of water before going to bed, it's going to be really useful. Immediately after you do your workout, or you are in such a place where it is very hot, you're dying to drink water, if you do so friends, it's the biggest mistake you're doing, because your body is not having enough water. And if it immediately gets huge amount of water, we're drinking too much, what will happen is the sodium will dilute in our body, and blood vessels will shrink. And I'm not here to scare you, but you can die. We can die of hyponatremia. Yes, this happens because of the dilution of sodium in our body, because of the abnormal amount of water that you drank just now. Important thing which most of us do, this is the biggest mistake that we do, and we should and must avoid doing this, is while we are walking, running or standing, we drink water, because our lives are so busy, we hardly give importance to water. We just drink it and just move to our work. Friends, it must be avoided. Water must always be consumed while sitting, not standing, because our muscles are not relaxed while we are standing as it is relaxed while we are sitting. So when we sit and drink water, the water is it goes to our stomach quite well. Digestion happens quite steadily. In the other case, when we are standing and drinking, it is of no use. We'll just feel like peeing. So friends, in case you found my video really informative and you found any of the information that you can apply in your day-to-day life, do not forget to share with other female like us. Hope you like it. Thank you.